Alright, in this video, I'll show you a quick hack to paint glossy lip that shine like candy. Hey everyone, this is David for Paintable. Today I'm coming at you with another hack. This one is going to be about gloss. I see a lot of people wanting to have some really glossy lips, and I want to show you my hack to actually do it, which is super simple. Having glossy lips is just going to make your characters, your feminine characters mostly, really attractive, so it can be really useful. So for that, I see a lot of people, me, myself included, when I was starting to doing gloss, I was putting basically just the highlights, right? Putting just a bit of white at the right place will give you that glossy lips effect like this, right? And that's glossy enough, I would say. But with the tricks I'm going to show you, the hack that I'm going to show you, you'll be able to see even more gloss. And it's simple. We're gonna fake a chromatic aberration, basically. Chromatic aberration is when you take a photography and the filter of red and green, let's say, separate themselves. It's going to give that little effect. Basically, in simple terms, what we're going to do is we're going to add a halo of saturated color all over them. For that, you simply have to just add a new layer and put that layer to color dodge. And then you want to paint with the darkest color that you have. It's supposed to give you that color. And what you want to do is just paint on top of your highlight. What you want to do is surround your highlight with that very saturated color. And then on the same layer, what you can do is just pick up the white and then you can burn your highlights even more like this, passing on top of it. And that's it. Adding just that little hollow is going to make a huge difference into the glow of your lips. The cool thing that I like to do after that is just using the smudge tool, and then you can just go and smudge them a little bit, adding a little bit of the interest in terms of the cracks that you have in your lips. And that's it. It's the difference between having this or this. And even from a distance, you can see that it's shiny a lot more. And that's only because we added that very subtle saturation light all over it. So I hope you like that hack. You can go ahead and try it. I'll also give you those lips if you want to actually try it on them. You can download them below this video. And boom, that's another one, guys. If you want to make sure to see all of the hacks about portraiture, make sure to click on the subscribe button. I'm going to put one almost every day for the next few days. So yeah, make sure to subscribe. And also, I would like to know today, can you tell me which of the two is the most difficult for you, painting eyes or lips? Let me know in the comment below this video. Have a good day and happy painting.